This is a video on using metrics to track what's going on the internet, an audience, how they're interacting with a business or organization. Platypus is an advertising and design firm that serves southeastern Wisconsin with a lot of local clients, but also has clients around the globe that it helps with its advertising and design needs. I'm going to take a look at how Platypus tracks what its audience is doing online and some of the conversation, and show you some of the tools that's used to help track or measure some of the things that we consider important for this particular client. So here's the website, and their website has a simple home page and a simple menu about the company. It shows some of the work that they do. They have an integrated blog and also a place for news and new releases. So, for advertising, it'll go through a portfolio of different work that's available, some of the companies that they've done work for, some of the examples of the graphic work, and it's done by a company. I think the ESPN radio spot was a television commercial. So it's a piece of embedded video here. The blog site talks about industry trends and things that are taking place in Wisconsin and beyond. Here they're talking about the Milwaukee Bucks being back in business and what that means for Wisconsin. Alright, so we have the website, and to track the audience on the website we use Google Analytics. When you create a Google Analytics account, you are able to hook it up to a website, and the webmaster can put certain cookies, use a spider, use keywords to track the site. So I'm taking a look at the month of November in 2011, and we can see that 504 people have visited the site. We can see they were all unique visitors. They looked at 2,100 pages. On average, they looked at just under 3 pages per visit. We can take a look at new visitors versus returning visitors. We can take a look at some of the demographics of what language they speak, what type of browser they might have used, or an operating system. Looks like Firefox is the most popular. Then Safari and Mac users, which makes sense for an advertising firm. And then Internet Explorer. We can take a look at different mobile options. There's a number of things you could do with Google Analytics. You could break down demographics, behavior. We could look at specifically at the different content pages that are being looked at. I can especially look at the blog site and which ones are getting responses. Here's a quick look. We can chart the progress through the course of the month. The slash would be a home page. We can take a look at the category of work, the About Us page. The looks like a blog post that we wrote about Subway and their latest campaign. So as quickly at top 10, we can drill it down specifically to each page throughout the site. On social media platforms, we do two different things. So one is we have Facebook, and the Facebook page where we interact with 410 people in our audience, and we share posts and trends and those sorts of things. And with Insights, which is the measurement tool within Facebook, we're able to take a look at the engagement. So this is over just the last, looks like it's a 2-week curve, maybe a little bit longer, and we can take a look back and see exactly the weekly total reach, and we can take a look on a daily or monthly or weekly basis. We can take a look at the people who are talking or who are engaging with the content, and the number of posts and how many posts in a day. We can take a look at each post and how many engaged users and people talking about it. We can do a further breakdown of the likes. It's a way to engage. One of the tools that we use for Twitter is Hootsuite, and it's one of those free ones that are out there, and you can measure your tweets and mentions and what your followers are saying.